way of doing this in the exam, because you will not have time to draw a man walking left or right. So I'm going to start off with an easy example. So because I'm starting off at 2, okay, and the sign after is plus, so because it's plus, I'm going to be facing the right. So just use flags like this. So I want to use this flag, so I'm going to take the flag to 2. So as you can see, my flag is at 2 and it's facing the positive direction because of the plus sign here. Now because it's 5, I have to go, and it's positive 5, I have to go 5 steps in that direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the flag will end up at 7. So 2 add 5 is equal to 7. So in this question we want to look at 3 add -4. So we have to start off at 3. So and to look at the next sign is plus. So if it's a plus, I need to find a flag that's facing this way, in the positive direction. So my flag is at 3 and it's facing the positive direction. Then I'm adding -4. So it's probably best to put in a bracket. So because it's -4, I'm not going to go 4 steps in this direction. I'm going to go backwards. The flag is going to go backwards 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the flag will end up at my -1. So as you can see, the flag is now at -1. So 3 add -4. The answer is -1. So in this question I'm doing 2 take away 5. So because I'm starting with 2, my flag will start at 2. But which flag is it? Is it this one or this one? Because I can see a negative sign here, take away sign here, it has to be the flag that's facing the left. So it has to be this one. So my flag's at 2 and it's facing the left because of the negative sign, and it has to go 5 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, the flag has now ended up in -3. So 2 take away 5, the answer is -3. So in this question we've got 4 take away -6. So because I'm starting with 4, my flag will start at 4. Then because I can see a takeaway, I have to take the arrow, so the flag that's facing the left. So it has to be this one. So as you can see, my flag's at 4 and it's facing the left, it's facing the negative direction. Now because I'm taking away a -6, I'm not going to go 6 steps in that direction, in the direction of the arrow. I'm going to walk backwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the flag would be here. So the answer is 10. So 4 take away -6, the answer is 10. So in this question I've got -8 and then I'm doing take away. So I have to start off at -8, and because I'm doing take away, I have to choose the flag that's facing the left, which is the red flag here. So as you can see, the flag is at -8 and it's facing the left direction because of this negative sign here. Then I'm taking away -10. So I'm not going to move 10 steps in the direction that the arrow is facing, but the arrow has to go backwards by 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you can see, the flag ends up at 2. So -8 take away, or -8 take away -10, the answer is 2. So that's almost like saying -8, and because there's 2 negative signs together here, it can be seen as a plus 10, and the answer is equal to 2.